Idioms of happiness. I am going to tell you the idioms of happiness. Let's start. Idioms of happiness. First one. On a cloud nine, very happy and excited. He was on cloud nine when his sister came. Have a whale of time to enjoy yourself very much. We were having a whale of time, dancing and drinking. Make someone's day. To make someone feel very happy. Her smile made my day. Walk on air. To feel extremely happy. After he won the race, he was walking on air. Tickled pink. Very amused. I was tickled pink to see her picture. In seventh heaven. Extremely happy. She was in seventh heaven when they praised her pink. Over the moon. Very happy. She was in over the moon when they praised her king. On top of the world. Proud of something. When I heard the news, I was on top of the world. If you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Like and share my videos. Thanks.